Hi, I'm Rod Taylor with US Survey Supply. Today we're going to be talking about how to calibrate the level sensor in a BRx6 Plus Carlson GNSS receiver using the Surveyor 2 data collector. This one is actually running SurvCE version 5. The procedure is almost identical in SurvCE 6. Minor differences, but you'll be able to negotiate those just based on what you learn here today. We start with a good solid tripod. This is the Dutch Hill carbon fiber tripod. This is the best tripod we have ever seen for torsional rigidity and temperature / length stability of the legs. We sell a lot of these things. Give us a call if you're interested. It comes with a 5-year warranty. We also need to have obviously a tribrac on the tripod. We like to use a precision leveling puck to get this tribrac absolutely perfect. This puck is a really handy tool. If you don't have this, we have this available as well. We've already leveled that. This sensor is already on a rotating adapter, which we'll now place into the tribrac, lock it down. So now we know this thing is perfectly level. In SurvCE, we have this receiver actually set up as a rover. However, this function is available also in the base configuration. We're going to go to the rover. And once it's established that connection to the instrument, you can see that's our configuration there, the BRx6 Plus. Our comms is via Bluetooth. This is a serial number for the instrument. And then in this receiver tab, we have the Use IMU box. Now this box activates the IMU in the receiver and gives you the ability to see the on-screen level. So we are all good, all systems go. We'll green check and get out to the main equipment menu as soon as this is done establishing its communications. In the equipment menu, we also have the GPS utilities. This is where the level sensor calibration is found. It's right here, sensor calibration. SurvCE 6 has this button up at the top of this side. 3 processes here. Full sensor calibration gives us the tilt direction calibration, which is a different procedure we're not covering today. All we're doing is the level sensor. That's found in these 2 options. Auto gives us 2 reads that it takes. We run a set of reads in one position and then rotate the receiver 180 degrees and run the second phase, and then it balances those 2 out. Since we know that this thing is perfectly level, we're going to use the set horizontal. And when we do that, all we're going to do is set 0. And now that level is perfectly calibrated to 0. Now, in order to see the on-screen bubble, that is done in the configure menu. Again, all we've done is activated the IMU. We don't necessarily have the on-screen bubble yet. So in the configure menu, if we go to the IMU tab right here, make sure View GNSS Level is checked, and that will give you your on-screen bubble. It'll always tell us, please calibrate. We already know that's done, so just OK through that. And then if we go to the Survey Store Point screen, you can see that we have an on-screen bubble. We're autonomous because we're not connected to anything, and we can't see any birds inside here anyway. But that is how we step through the calibration process. And again, if you're interested in the tripod, tribrac, rotating adapter, or the calibration puck, please feel free to give us a call. Or any other questions that you have, we're always happy to help you out here at US Survey Supply. Thanks. Have a great day.